What's up, people? I'm at the Goodwill outlet and I just found a cash register. I usually find money in these things. The most I found was 35 bucks. Let's see if there's any money in here. Are you ready? Are you ready to see if there's money in here? So, this is how you open them. You lay it on its front and there's a little knob. You pull on it or you push on it. And did you hear that? Did you hear that? Okay, let's see if there's something inside. I might have to use two hands. So we just got it open and let's see if there's anything inside of it. Oh, there's nothing in here so far. But we're not done with it yet. We're not done. Nothing yet. Usually where I find money is in little crevices in here, inside of it. To be honest, today, unfortunately, there was no money, but usually there's money. And if you like these videos, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. 129,000 subscribers. What? Crazy. Let's do a little sneak peek. Look at this. Look at this buck. My first buck.